Imagine never having to manually post on X again for an entire month. Yep, that's what we're building today. An automation that grabs your tweets from Google Sheets, posts them for you, and keeps track of what's already been posted. Completely hands-off. Here's the full workflow. We start with a schedule that decides when to post. It pulls fresh tweets from a Google Sheet, filters out the ones you've already posted, posts the next one to X, and then updates your sheet so it never repeats. Let's go step by step. First up, the schedule trigger. This is basically your posting calendar. You set it for daily at, say, 9 a.m. or whatever time your audience is most active. Once it's set, you don't touch it again. Then, we connect to Google Sheets with the Get Rows node. I have made this sheet and added some tweets. This is where your pre-written tweets live. Every row has the tweet text and a column that says whether it's been posted yet. You can connect your Google Sheet account by following what this document here says. Next, we filter out all the tweets that already went live. Only fresh, unused content moves forward. As you see, the outcome has separated the tweets that were already used from the ones that are still available. This makes sure we don't reuse any. The limit node makes sure we only post one tweet at a time. No spam, no chaos, just one clean post per run. Then, we tidy things up with the Edit Fields node. This is where you can add hashtags, shorten URLs, or tweak the text before posting.
The codes that you see I have filled the nodes with are just taken from the previous nodes here. As you can see, they are basically the text, day, tweet in JSON format.
Now for the magic, the Create Tweet node. This connects to your X account through the API and publishes your post instantly. And again, for connecting your X account, you can follow the doc here. No logging in, no clicking publish, it just happens. Finally, we update the same row in Google Sheets to mark it as posted. You can even store the tweets link so you've got a record of everything that's gone live. Let's check if it has marked our recently used tweet as posted in our Google Sheet. It has successfully updated our row. Let's check if our tweet has been posted. And here we can confirm it has posted without any problems. And that's it. You can preload a month's worth of tweets into your sheet, and N8N takes care of the rest. No more missed posting days, no more scrambling for ideas. Just set it up once and let it run. Hit subscribe for more automation tips, and let me know in the comments which platform I should automate next. This is how you work smarter, not harder.